Alright, what's up guys? So today we're just doing an honest unboxing and review of this Hamilton Beach Steak Lovers Indoor Grill. So let's get right into it, see what comes in the box. First off, we got the manual, of course, and it's probably going to be easiest if we flip it upside down like this. But this is what comes in the box. So we got the drip pan, and here is the unit. So it looks like it only comes with the drip pan. Let me take it out of this plastic here. See what we're working with. But wow, alright, so this thing is actually super nice. Looks like it has the temperature gauge down here, and just basically one. Alright, so this is the on and off button, and this is the sasser button. But wow, seems like really good quality. Nice stainless steel, super smooth, and the grill itself seems very high quality. So this seems like this is where the drip pan goes for sure. So all the fat and stuff will drip into this little pan, and then you can clean this. But yeah, overall, this is definitely a really nice, high quality grill. You could definitely make paninis in this thing. If you're in the market for a new type of grill like this, definitely check this one out. Super nice quality. I'm gonna bust it out and use it right now. I just wanted to give a quick honest unboxing, but hope you guys like the video. Have a good day.